In this video, I'm going to show how to take your alignment data and export it to a LandXML file. LandXML files need to be created for all of your alignments in the project. This includes the proposed profiles. Existing profiles do not need to be exported to LandXML. These LandXML files will then be available to the contractor as a reference only to help assist them in building their models. This requirements can be found in the Electronics Deliverables Guidelines document that we have posted on our wiki page. So now for exporting, it is very easy in Approach Designer. You're going to go to your Open Roads Modeling workflow. Under the Geometry tab, there is an Import-Export drop-down, and you want to select Export Geometry. And then with the dialog that pops up, you can choose the export type, which is going to be LandXML. Now, there's a checkbox for only active profiles, which I'm going to suggest you turn on. So what that means is it will only export your active profile out, which is probably what you want in case you've drawn in some extra lines in your profile view for different things. You don't want those exported out, so checking that box on will make sure only the active profile gets exported. So then we're going to data point to accept the type as LandXML, and then we're going to locate our elements. So while it does let you select multiple alignments, you're going to have to do this one at a time because we want each alignment to be in its own LandXML file. We don't want to have two horizontal alignments in the same file. Select one at a time. After you select that one, you're going to reset click to complete your selection. And then you're going to data point to accept the version of LandXML. And then data point to accept that you want to only include the active profiles. And then you will get a save as dialog. And so you can save it with your project. So the name was just the name of the alignment you chose. So I'm just going to save it here for demo purposes. And the file has been created. Now, some things to double check before you do that is you want to make sure that your alignment and profiles have the correct name. So in profile view, if I select my alignment, or profile, I'm going to take a look at the feature name right here and make sure that is filled out correctly, because that's what name we're going to see in the LandXML file. Same goes for the horizontal alignment. Take a look. You want to look at the feature and make sure that it has a feature name defined as well. So I have opened up that file that I just exported just to show that the alignment name has came in here as well as the profile name. So don't have to worry too much about the contents of the actual XML file itself, but just wanted to show that those are getting exported and will show up when the contractor starts to import the data.